Hi dancers, it's Jess Stafford here. How are you? I know we are all home right now and itching to get back in the studios with our teachers, and so am I. We all miss you very, very much, but today I'm bringing you my center contemporary warm-up. Hopefully you enjoy it. Follow along. Again, the purpose of this is just to keep you moving and keep you mindful and keep you active and feed your soul, so that we're all dancing while we're temporarily apart. So don't worry so much about perfecting the movement, just worry about keep it going, keep breathing, let the breath initiate your movement. Modify as you need to for your body on any given day. Our bodies are different, our energy levels are different, but keep going. And that's a motto for everybody right now. So enjoy it, be well, and I will see you in the dance studio soon. So I'm going to show you one of the movements that is quite repetitive through the beginning part of the center warm-up. And I'm going to break that down for you before we get started so that we're all kind of on the same page with everything. So we are going to make sure that we're in alignment, our tailbone is down, our ribs are closed, and we're going to take a big breath in. We're going to inhale. From here, the hands are going to go underneath the chin, right? So as we're doing the stretch, a lot of times I see this in the stretch, and that's not really what we're trying to accomplish here. It's a very small, nuanced stretch, and we're keeping our ribs closed, okay? And we're looking up, and we're slightly pressing up against the chin, right? So we're getting a shoulder stretch, and in the shoulder blades, we're keeping our ribs closed, and on the exhale, we're going to close the elbows closed. And when we exhale, there should be resistance against the space. So you should be getting a stretch through those upper shoulders. So again, we breathe in. We keep our alignment, tailbone down, ribs closed. We exhale, fold. And from there, you're going to see we're going to take it to a C-curve roll down, and we're going to stretch. But as we do it and as we progress, the tendency is to sort of let go of the arms, try to maintain the integrity of the stretch so that we're working really in those small little muscles and getting them warmed up. Okay, here we go. Take a big breath in. Big breath in. Exhale, here we go. Little contraction down. Diagonal to diagonal. Contract. Contract. Plie with a spiral, watch your alignment. And under the chin, we breathe up. Exhale. Rolling down to flat back. Main thing here is to keep moving through the space. Left side, breathing in. Exhale. Long flat back. Lateral stretch. Roll it up. From here, we're going to release down. Release the pelvis back. Roll up. Hang out here. Little pedals. 2 bounces. Roll up. Second set. Breathe. Open the chest, lift. Tailbone down. Here we go. Cross back, low lunge, come around. Contract, stretch back, and under the chin. Roll down. Little variation here on the second set. We're going to stretch over, we're going to come to a high releve. 2 bounces. Roll it up, left side. Hold it. Lateral stretch. Feet together. High releve. Release the head. 2 bounces. Roll up. Third set. Stretch. Exhale. From here, shoulders back, we're going to plie and balance. And up. Contract. Lengthen out. and up, under the chin. Big breath in. Roll it down. Flat. We're gonna walk out. Plank position here. Hold. Forward and back. Walk it back. Roll it up. Left side. And side stretch. Walk it out. Forward, back, forward, back. Bend the knees. Roll it up, release down. Hang out here, pedal. Fast or slow, your choice. 2 bounces. From here, we're gonna go into the under stretch. Flat back. Side stretch. Walk it out. This time, we're gonna lift the leg, stretch. We're gonna bring it in, low lunge. So from here, you can lift the foot, you can turn the foot out, whatever variations you wanna do. Back to plank, walk it back, roll it up, left side, breathe in, exhale, roll it down, left leg up, bring it through, lunge position. And from here, we're gonna step back. We're gonna go into a little downward dog. Hips high. Take a nice cleansing breath here. Exhale. Let's bring that left leg back up. It's gonna fold open. We're gonna come to sitting. We're gonna face front. And contract. 3, 4. Legs are gonna come out straight. We're gonna go right into a body roll. 2 times. We're gonna take that to 4th position. Close the arms, big stretch up. Right arm folds under. We're gonna use our abdominals to come up. Contract, lifting up, same thing. Here we go, pull up. 2 more times, lift. Maybe you hang out here for a second, under, use the breath, come up. Much easier to do without a mic pack on. This last one, we're gonna take a spiral long, and we're gonna swing the legs out to second, right into 2 contractions. Lengthen long. Change. Port de bras, lay back position, coming through. Lengthen long. Making sure we don't collapse here, reaching out just like we're at the ballet bar, turn the hips out. Long. And we're seated here. Find your alignment, find your port de bras, and we're gonna open using the abdominals as we travel. And we're gonna change the port de bras. We're gonna go back the other way. 2. Close. From here, top of alignment, we're gonna snake through. We're gonna take a push-up. We're gonna come down, stretch, bring it down, peel the foot, coming back, left side, snake it through, up, push up, hug the elbows in, big stretch, lower down, peel it open, 2 more times, roll through the arms, hug them in, inhale, exhale out, come back, exhale, roll through. Hug the elbows in, lower down slowly, inhale. Exhale. Let's take 1 more here. Breathe in. Exhale. Peel the leg open. We're gonna sit up. I'm gonna turn side for this next one, next series, so you guys can see me You can stay where you are. We're rolling down through the spine. We're coming into a lateral T position. We're gonna shake out the legs a little bit. We got a lot of leg work coming up. Here we go. Coupe passe, coupe down. And we'll go parallel, turn out. Left side. Keep contracting into the floor. Both legs are going to come up and turn out. And make sure your back is activated into the floor and there's energy. Développé on the right side. Flex plie both legs. And down. We're going to scoop it in, flex it out. And we're going to reverse. Right into Batmas. Foot never touches the floor. And flex both feet. And from here, point the feet, rond de jambe. Reverse. 2. One more. Good. Little pulses. And stretch. Again, take a second here, find your alignment, find your breath, make whatever adjustments you need, but breathe into the stretch. And we're gonna come up to a forearm plank. Lower down, underneath, and we're gonna start left side. Let me readjust. Here we go. Bring the left leg up. Flex plie. Turn those hips out and reverse. And Batma. 1, 2, 3. And flex. 1, 2, 3. Round de jambe. And around. 2. And pulse. And exhale, stretch. And up to plank. Lower down. Knees come up right into our sit-ups. 3, 4, straight leg. 2, 3, 4. Hold it here. Pull up and lift. You could take it to tabletop. You can lengthen out. We hold here, we tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Diagonal, diagonal. Keep breathing. Hold, balance. 1, 2, reset. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lower the legs on 8, lifting up, big breath. Exhale, forward. Stretch the hips. You can either hang out here and exhale forward, or take the heels up and you get a little bit more range of motion if you want a little bit more stretch. And we're gonna come right into our our bear crawl stretch. So bent knees, bent arms. We're gonna rev a little bit. We're gonna go forward and back. And from here, you can do some circles. You can keep going forward and back. Take one more out over plank and back. One more, and we're gonna exhale back to downward dog. And we're gonna jump the feet in. I'm gonna turn towards you. We're gonna dive up. Big breath in. One. And I'm actually going to take you into a little plie series out of this. We're going to keep it continuous. We're going to swing forward. Lift, side, lift, side, circle, releve, big release. Hold down. One stretch, two stretch. Roll it up. I'm going to bring it into turned out first. Forward. Getting the joints nice and warmed up. Releve. Release. Up. Two bounces. Roll it up. Second and one. Up. Hold. Exhale. Up. Up. Two bounces. Roll it up. Fifth on the right. Side. Side. Up. Big release, big exhale. Really turn your bodies. Relax the back of your head in between. Roll up. Last one. Left and left. Finding your suspension. And then your release. Left side. Two bounces. Roll up, come to parallel, roll back down. I'm gonna flip my palms here to get a stretch through my forearms. Big breath in. Exhale. Shake your head yes. Shake it no. Deep plie. Let your chest rest on your legs. And we're going to pull up slowly. Going to roll up through the spine. We're going to take a big breath in. We're going to exhale. Let's bring that heart rate down. Big breath in. And we are done. Hope you enjoyed it, everybody. See you in the dance studio soon.